Then goes that I noticed the time. To my dismay, Abby was already outside. Just in a job room, I shook my head wearily. Oh God, how I hate him. They openly sent love letters, rose, and chocolates too. These are my favorite. But I hate the person who gave this. So I throw in the trash. How can I ever get away from this guy? Hey, Arvin, but don't thanks. I'm old enough to go home on my own, okay? So please, stop following me like a dog. But, Jessa, I love you. Can you understand? I can give you anything you want. Say it and you have it. I'll be back.